Welcome back. I know it's been a little bit since I've done some stuff. Don't do what I do at home. This is for educational purposes only. I'm not politically correct. Back to my wonderful 6.2 liter Cubby truck. It's been giving me a little bit of a problem recently doing hard start bullshit. Commonly when that happens, it's usually the friggin' glow plugs. Well, I went to the first one this morning and sure enough, failed the test. Went to the second one, it was good. That one's good, so I just left it alone. First one was bad. I only have one backup replacement. Imagine there's a couple on here that are going bad, so it's probably definitely time to look at the glow plugs, go over them, check them out. Common problem with these things, if the glow plugs ain't working, it is what it is. That's like any diesel. When you don't have the appropriate start method, you're going to have trouble starting. So you got to know your diesel well. And that's why I like this big guy so much. He's been real good. Master Gunny. It's Master Gunny. So, another thing, I was actually gonna take a moment to bitch for a second, because the glow plugs that I got for backup, I'm not going with acdelco again. I'm getting something. I'm gonna find something that lasts more than a year. Because I haven't even had this acdelco in but about 3-4 months, maybe 6 months. Actually, not even that. I put APR head studs in January, so I put this plug in then. So it's about 4 months ago I put this plug in, and it's already not working. I'm putting the same damn thing in, so I must be kind of stupid or something. I just hope I get a better result out of this. Or at least slightly better. Anyway, I'm going to get more backup glow plugs to make sure I'm able to run and all that good stuff, but probably going to order them off of eBay, and probably going to order Bosch straight from Germany if I can help it. Or whatever. Something not from Mexico or China. Anyway, later.